What can acupuncture do for me? There are a lot of people that are familiar with acupuncture in general, but many of them may not be aware of all of the different things that acupuncture can do for them. As long as it has to do with your body's health, acupuncture can assist you in a natural way. This is because, at its essence, acupuncture is meant to allow the free flow of energy within the body in order to heal the body and to rejuvenate the senses. Although there is quite a long list of things that can be done at the acupuncturist office, here are a few of the more common things that are treated. One thing that most people go to the acupuncturist for is control of pain. It doesn't matter what kind of pain an individual has, from back pain to carpal tunnel syndrome, the acupuncturist will be able to assist you. By allowing the free flow of energy through your body, the pain can either be blocked or the area can be healed. Pain management doesn't just stop in this area, however, it also includes surgical procedures. Many individuals who are undergoing surgery seek out acupuncture treatments in order to control the pain and to help with some of the side effects from the surgery. Surgeons are catching on to the benefits of acupuncture as well and are administering it before and after the surgery in order to cut down on the amount of pain medicine that is needed. Some doctors are even administering the acupuncture whenever the surgery is taking place. Acupuncture is also used for its calming effect in many cases. People with unusual phobias or that have a difficult time relaxing or sleeping may seek acupuncture therapy in order to help them to relax and to overcome their problems. This type of acupuncture may take ongoing treatments that last for quite some time, but many people experience almost immediate relief from these type of problems. One other thing that is fairly common for acupuncturists to do is to decrease a person's appetite. As a matter of fact, many people who undergo acupuncture treatments for various reasons also ask if they can be given acupuncture for appetite suppression. Although many acupuncturists will not focus on this area solely, they will administer this treatment in conjunction with the therapy that the person is already receiving.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.